wiki.easybib.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Easybib presents the 10 best meal prep containers. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. If you need encouragement and guidance on your healthy journey, you'll appreciate the ebook that comes with this option from the Meal Lab. The containers themselves are safe to put in the dishwasher, but the tops can be tricky to remove. These are small enough to fit in many purses, and the lids have seals for each compartment. However, solids and liquids tend to mix in them. At number 9, ideal for soups, salads and stir-fries, the amesser round have lids that can seal tightly to prevent sloshing on your way to work. You get 30 bowls in each order, so you could theoretically prepare enough meals for an entire month if you felt like it. These include plastic cutlery and napkins and are great for storing leftovers, but note that they can melt if microwaved too long. Coming in at number 8 on our list. If you're trying to count calories and lose a few pounds, the Fitpacker Original can help. Designed to encourage portion control, they prevent you from piling on more food than you should be eating in any one meal, thereby keeping your weight loss efforts on track. These are freezer and microwave safe and good for kids' lunch boxes. However, it can be difficult to pry the lids off. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for meal prep containers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, true to their name, the Evolutionize reusable can be tossed on the top rack of your dishwasher, making cleaning a breeze and increasing the likelihood that you'll use them repeatedly. They can withstand extreme temperatures too, so you can freeze or nuke them if you want. They can be stacked for compact storage and are not likely to spill in transit, but the inner wall doesn't go all the way up. Moving up our list to number 6. The Smart Portables Bento look and feel like traditional Tupperware and boast silicone-lined lids to reduce the possibility of leaks. Thanks to their removable compartments, you can customize them to have 1, 2 or 3 sections. These hold 38 ounces and are made of an odor-resistant material. However, they are on the expensive side. Halfway up our list at number 5. The Meal Prep Airtight are an elegant option made of durable glass, so there's no risk of chemical leaching as with some plastics. With a large compartment that's perfect for a generous serving of veggies and a smaller one for protein, these will keep your diet on track. They won't stain or bend and come with reliable snap-lock lids. But note that they can't be nested for storage. At number 4, you can cook enough for the whole family when you have the Pyrex Simply Store stashed in your cabinets. With 24 pieces of various sizes and shapes, there's a perfect one for any meal, from chicken noodle soup to meatloaf and gravy. These utilize a color-coded lid system and help to slow spoilage. They're good for reducing your carbon footprint. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Freshware Ultimate aren't as large as some other choices out there, but they're good for housing a single food item that you want to keep segregated from everything else. So now your baked beans and fruit salad will actually have 2 distinct flavors. They can be used to store ingredients too and are a good budget option. They're ideal for road trips with kids. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for meal prep containers, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, these options from Seacrest are made of durable borosilicate glass, which means they'll last a long time, provided you don't drop them, of course. They're easy to clean, even if you leave them in the car and allow things inside to congeal. These are great for picnics, and the lids have a removable rubber seal. They're sized for large portions. And taking the top spot on our list. Just because you're eating yesterday's food doesn't mean you can't look elegant doing it. Thanks to the Grub To Go Japanese Original. It has everything you need to dine comfortably, including utensils and an attractive bamboo-style storage case. It comes with 2 containers with dividers and a strap that keeps everything together. It's good for packing different courses. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybib.com. Go there now and search for meal prep containers, or simply click beneath this video.